Eliminating emotional eating is not instantaneous. It will not help you lose 20 pounds by the weekend. It takes practice. You've been soothing yourself with food for a long time. So give yourself some time and grace to learn how to do this. But once you do, you will have a skill that will help you reach and maintain your goal. It's worth the investment. Renee Jones here. So, step 1, you must change your relationship with food. Has food been a soother? It was for me. It becomes a way to entertain ourselves or to relieve boredom, sadness, loneliness, or any other emotion. Changing that doesn't mean we can't enjoy it. In fact, we'll probably enjoy it more once we put it back in its proper place, as it takes care of all that wraparound guilt, right? And unlike other habits or addictions, we cannot do without food. We can't physically remove it from our environment or avoid it. So we change how we relate to it. And some of that is really just recognizing what we've been doing. I don't know about you, but I felt quite silly once I started talking about it. The priority it becomes, the position it holds, the number of times I'd allow myself to indulge just because. We don't do that in any other area, not in our finances for certain. We take responsibility because the results of spending like we eat would be catastrophic. And in the same way, the excess intake of food can also be catastrophic as it breaks down our health. It adds to our waistlines. It may create inflammation or a bad back or knees. And it cost me a lot in all those sizes I had to keep in the closet. That's not a healthy relationship. Yet we forget and look at it longingly. It's not the food itself. It's the excess. And like anything else in excess, it does us harm. So wake up. See what it has done to you. Is that the relationship you want? A good relationship with food is one of respect, both for yourself as well as for the food. Now, when we swallow something whole, or eat it over the trash can or sink, hoping no one catches us, that's not respect for either. And I did that. And never enjoyed it really, so what was I getting from it? Exactly. So decide. Do you want to change that relationship? This is up to you. And the great thing is, you do not lose the food. You can still have all the wonderful things responsibly. You can do that. All the best.